In recent times, technology has transformed the banking landscape of India. Its reach extends far beyond cities, penetrating deep into the rural India, enabling farmers, small traders, and self-help groups to access financial services with greater ease than ever before. Banking services are now available at the click of a button. People don't need to wait in queues at banks for availing most of the services. I am happy to know that City Union Bank is using the state-of-the-art technology while all keeping intact the personal touch and relationship-based service to its customers. As our digital and knowledge-driven economy keeps expanding, the role of banks in digital transformation and entrepreneurship becomes even more crucial. From startups to smart cities, there is a whole range of areas in which banks can help. Banks can become active partners in the making of a developed India. Through schemes like direct benefit transfer, subsidies and welfare benefits reach beneficiaries without leakage and intermediaries. Mobile banking and unified payments interface have facilitated digital transactions and strengthened the digital economy. The private sector also has an important role to play. Banks and fintech companies are offering user-friendly mobile apps, microloans, and insurance products tailored for underserved communities. Payment banks, digital wallets, and banking correspondents have taken financial services to the doorsteps of remote villages. Despite progress in this area, several challenges are still faced in terms of digital literacy, internet access, and financial awareness. With combined efforts of all stakeholders, people can be better integrated with banking services through technology and digital and financial literacy.